Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get your drafts back on TikTok. So first of all, you just have to make sure that you are using the latest version of TikTok application. For this, just open up the Play Store and in the search bar, you have to search for TikTok application. Tap on it. And now if you see any update here, you just have to make sure to update this application. After this, just tap on this open. You have to watch full video, otherwise you cannot understand properly. So now just tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner and then just screenshot of your profile like this. Now if you tap on these three bars in the upper right corner, you will see these options. Just tap on this settings and privacy and you can see there is no direct option to recover draft. If you scroll down, you can see there is no such option. So what you have to do is you just have to scroll down and tap on this report a problem. Now scroll down and under the topics you can see this option videos and sounds. Just tap on it and from here tap on this draft and you can see this is the option missing draft. So just tap on this missing draft and from here you just have to tap on this no and tap on this need more help. And when you are on this page, you have to describe your problem. Also attach profile and screenshots. You can type something like this. I'm just going for random one. You can type I'm missing my draft, I want my TikTok draft videos. You have to enter your username and you can go for either screenshots as well. This will be a plus point. And then you just have to tap on this submit button and TikTok team will reply you and hopefully they will solve your issue. So that's it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.